Hey, what's up, guys? We have a men's Jacob & Company diamond watch with approximately 5 carats of all natural white VS1 factory set diamonds by Jacob & Company. F color diamonds. Beautiful piece, as you can see. Very flashy. Again, I only deal all natural diamonds. No CZs, no man-mades, none of that funny stuff. So anyway, back to this watch. 47 millimeter, 5 time zones, all fully functional. Here's your patent number right there in between your lugs. Factory band, the Jacob clasp. I believe it's an alligator band. Anyway, here's your back casing right here. Beautiful piece. This watch is for sale. If you're interested, let me know. My number is posted on the bottom, so make sure you hit me up.